What's up, traders? In this video, we're going to talk about how I made $1,500 today. 2 trades, trading what was a very tight range for majority of the day. Now, when you hear rangy markets, you might get scared. Some traders get chopped to death when the markets are ranging, but not you, not after this video. I'm going to show you how to identify the range and then trade the range properly. And I'm not going to just talk out of my ass here. I'm actually going to show you how I did it today. And after you watch this video, there's no way you're going to be able to say, oh, this guy didn't have a good trading day. Not only am I up 1,500 today, as you can see on the TradeZella calendar, but I had a really great month, up almost $18,000. The only negative this month was on the 16th, I lost some of the accounts that I was trading. So for the first 2 weeks of the month, I was trading 5 instant funded accounts, 50K instant funded accounts with Top 1 futures, and 6 Ignite instant funded accounts. On the 16th, I lost those 5 instant funded accounts. I had to dig those back. And when I started trading them again on the 18th, I actually had a red day to start them. So the group of 5 that I'm currently trading is in profit, almost halfway to payout now after the trading from the 18th until the end of this month. So it looks like a really good month here on TradeZella, but I'm always transparent with you guys. I want you to see that don't be fooled by a good TradeZella month. I still lose accounts. I haven't taken a payout now in 2 months, but before that, I was up $13,000 in the previous 2 months from Top 1 futures payouts. So, if you're a podcast listener, you hear all my guests talk about their payouts. Most people would say prop firm payouts are not linear. Most people don't take the same size payout every single month. Some people like me will go even a month or 2 without a payout sometimes. Now, I've been running really hot this year. If you've been following my videos, you see all the payouts I've taken, not just from Top 1 futures, from Tradeify, from Top Step, from multiple firms. If you haven't seen those videos, you do need to make sure you're subscribed. A lot of you are watching these videos and you're not subscribed, which is unfortunate because that means you're missing out on really important videos that I post about different prop firms, but also the interviews that I post with really successful traders every single Saturday for the day trading show. So make sure you're subscribed. Now, today, let's talk about these trades because, man, they were nice. I didn't even get to do my full daily report card yet. As you can see, after 2 trades, I was done, happy with the morning, made, across the 5 accounts, put myself up at the $1,500. Very, very happy. Now, before I explain these trades, I'm going to show you the entry price, the exit price. I want you guys to use the link in the description to this video and go study Futures 101. This is the free course we put together. There's no sign up, nothing you need to put in. Just start watching this. It is very short. It's not even 4 hours long. And this will teach you how I trade with VWAP. If you love this, then you can move into Futures 2.0, and I will give you a month free to watch this course. Again, it's only another 3 hours, 4 hours long. There's an update coming for this soon, and I'm going to give you a month free if you use the link in the description. So these courses are meant to show you the entries that we teach and that we trade, and then the streams that we run here are meant to show you the information in the course put into the live market, put to practice. So today, the first trade, I was long going into the open, going into the stream. I liked the idea that we would move off of this 67.05 area. That's the price here. 67.05 and a quarter was my entry price. I liked the idea that we would bounce into this blue VWAP here, which is previous day VWAP. So the trade is from the overnight VWAP, the dotted line, into the previous day VWAP, the long. I'm out of the trade at 67.11 when it flushes for me right here, straight up. Now, the key for this trade was it bounced off this 15-minute level here at 66.96. To a 15-minute chart here was actually yesterday, which was Monday. It was Monday's low. So I've got that circled here on the left side of the screen. Monday's low set at market open, then tested at the end of the day Monday and tested again here overnight and here overnight last night. So you see how strong that 66.96 level is. I have the bounces circled. So when I'm coming into market open, I'm thinking I'm looking for pop here. Entry is here. Stop loss is here. That was the first trade, 67.05 to 67.11. I see the range very clearly now. I see the 66.96 as the bottom. Where does the bottom of the range come from? Previous day low being respected overnight last night, right? So you see there's hits to it. So I'm just reading the market. There's the bottom of my range. And then the top of my range is really opening range high today. But you can say, previous day VWAP is up here as well. Again, that light blue line is previous day 930 VWAP. You could say it's all in here because that's really like 4 points of a range. It's a very tight range here. So basically all of this is the top of the range. So once I make money on the long and I'm green on the day, I want to keep trading. I want to hit my daily goal. But I want to make sure I get more information. So I said to everybody on stream, if we break and retest, I'll look for longs as we move higher. But if we come back down, I'm going to really start to think we're in a range and we're going to want to play longs off the bottom and shorts off the top. Now I waited. I didn't really take any other trades at all. Here, 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 or here. I easily could have been long here off that bottom. I easily could have been short here, but I wanted to make sure we were trading in a range. So then at 10:50 in the morning, I take my second trade of the day, short at 67.12. You can see that's the entry here. I give it a 10-point stop because I'm looking for 10 points to the downside. We go 67.12 to 67.01 right here at opening range low. Beautiful up and down trades this morning, done by 11:30, up $1,500 by 11. Click the link in the description here. Click the link down below. Come check out the streams for a month for free. You will not be sorry. Now, to finish the recap on today, you can see the range here and here traded all day. Even as it came up into here, it popped and came right back down to the bottom. Where did it stop? 66.96. Finally, it lifted here in the afternoon from 2 into 2:30, 3 o'clock, only to then pull back into the close. So when this breakout happens, no one knows. We trade the range until the breakout finally happens. Once the breakout happens here, you can look for retests for another leg higher. So tomorrow, we'll probably be looking for longs if Asian session doesn't get super bearish. If London session doesn't get super bearish, we'll be looking for longs on stream tomorrow morning, most likely. Now, the back of a really good month, other than one overconfident, tilty day where I gave back some accounts, I put up a really good month. This should show you we win majority of the trades that we take on stream. And if you believe me, if my results don't sound enough, go to Trustpilot. These aren't fake reviews. You can't fake 342 5-star reviews. Check out what people are saying about the streams, the courses, the podcast. And if you're interested in learning how to trade with VWAP, I'm your guy. So make sure you're subscribed. I'll keep these videos coming. We've got new podcasts every Saturday. We're about to cross 200 episodes, which is awesome. So make sure you're subscribed. I don't want you guys to miss any of this important information. Thank you very much for watching. Happy trading. I'll see you guys on stream tomorrow morning.